This is a pad folded, flat cloth diaper. There's lots of different ways to fold these. I like the pad fold, just put it in a rectangle, pop it in a waterproof cover. Next up, prefolds. Fold it like this and hold it together with a snappy, or simply fold it in thirds and pop it into your waterproof cover. Now let's talk all-in-twos. Why is it called an all-in-two? Because the whole diaper is in 2 pieces. Your absorbency snaps into the shell. When you change the diaper, change the insert, reuse the cover. Less laundry. Now what's a pocket diaper? It has a pocket. A pocket diaper has a pocket where you stuff the absorbency into the shell. Super simple, just like this. And last but not least, we have an all-in-one. Waterproofing on the outside, and the absorbency is sewn into the shell. See how it's one piece?